you'll end up in shock. Good morning. Do you remember what we did with Annie when she wasn't breathing, she was unresponsive, and we did the Dr. ABC and the chest compressions? Well, obviously she isn't breathing, so I've gone and got the defibrillator. Here's the defibrillator. Every marina in Aquavista has a defibrillator. They look slightly different though. Some of them may work when you open the button, open the actual lid, or press a button, but you'll see when you read them. Okay, we're now back at Annie. Obviously went and got it myself. And if you are alone, then you have to go and get it. It's as simple as that. And then once we start doing CPR, we don't stop this time. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is expose the upper torso of our casualty. And this is our working area. Bearing in mind, we're still doing the chest compressions and the rescue breaths. We're buying her time. We're keeping the blood flowing around her body. Right, so open up the defibrillator. There she is. And all I have to do with this one is open the lid and it will tell me what to do. First thing it does is it checks itself. So in the meantime, I'm still doing CPR. Remember, 30 compressions, 2 rescue breaths, 100 to 120 per minute, 4 to 6 centimeters deep. I stop so I can get on this. Don't forget, I'm going to ask for help here. Calling for help all the time. There's the pads.
Peel 1 pad from plastic liner.
If you notice, it's telling me what to do. So I'll just listen to the instructions if I don't know what to do.
Place 1 pad
Picture.
on bare upper chest.
Bare upper chest. There we go.
Place 1 pad on bare upper chest. Place 1 pad on bare upper
I'm now
chest.
taking out the second pad.
And place on bare lower
Picture on
chest
there as well,
as shown.
in case I'm panicking. There we go.
Peel 2nd pad and place on bare lower chest as shown. Do not touch patient.
Right, I'm not touching the patient because it's going to look for some electrical activity in the heart now.
Do not touch
So I don't do CPR at this stage.
Analyzing rhythm. Shock advised.
It's telling me to do a shock.
Charging.
Can you see the red light there? It's telling me to
Push
shock.
flashing button to deliver shock.
Make sure no one's touching the body.
To deliver
Right,
shock.
preparing to shock. 3, 2, 1.
Shock delivered. It is now safe to touch the patient.
Okay, I'll go back to my CPR.
With 30 compressions.
Now I keep doing this, and every 2 minutes, my defibrillator will stop me and test for heart and deliver a shock again. And we keep doing that until the paramedics arrive. It's helping me with the rhythm as well, isn't it? Yep. Right. Everyone happy with that? It doesn't beat a proper first aid course, but I hope that helps you. Stay safe.